In this video, I'll show you how to upload a background image to a specific question in your quiz, and even set different background images for each question. To get started, open the Questions section of the Quiz Builder, click on the question you want to edit, and go to the Image Upload section in the settings. Click Select Image, and you can either choose from your store images or upload a new one from your computer. Once the image is added, it will only apply to that specific question, not the whole quiz. You can change it at any time by clicking Change, or remove it if you want to upload a different image. The image layout setting gives you more control. You can keep it as a full background image and adjust its opacity with the slider, or you can choose the split option, which places the image beside the question. With the split layout, you can decide whether the image appears on the left or right side of the question on desktop. On mobile, you can choose to display the image above, below, or hide it completely. To preview these options, switch to the mobile view inside the Quiz Builder. Keep in mind that our quizzes are responsive. They automatically adjust to different screen sizes like desktop, tablet, and mobile. Because of this, background images may crop or scale differently depending on the device. To make sure your backgrounds look good everywhere, use large, high-resolution images, at least full HD. Avoid adding text to your background since it may get cut off. If you do need text or logos, keep them centered. Neutral or soft backgrounds tend to work best. And always test your quiz on multiple devices to see how the image behaves. Remember, with responsive backgrounds, simpler is often better. Once you're happy with your background image layout and settings, save your changes and preview your quiz to see how it looks. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.